Hello everyone, I'm Anafet Kodi and in this video I want to explain about forest ecosystem. So first I'll explain about the meaning of forest ecosystem, types of forest ecosystem, characteristic features of forest ecosystem, structure of forest and functions of forest ecosystem. So let's start with the meaning of forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem refers to the region where trees predominate and are interconnected with plants, animals, and microbes. Yeah. So forests are important global sources that provide a wide range of environmental, economic, and social benefits. They provide a variety of viable products like timber and fuel, wood. And forest ecosystem, it comprises of soil, trees, insects, animals, and birds. So in this case, let's go to the types of forest ecosystem. Under types of forest ecosystem, there are three types of forest ecosystem. First one is tropical forest, then temperate forest, finally taiga forest. For tropical forests, these are very wet places that receives more than 200 centimeters rainfall per year, either seasonally or throughout the year. And these tropical forests are also called savanna forests. And in this world, there are some countries which have these forests, like in Brazil, Congo, Colombia, and Peru. There are also three types of tropical forests, namely flooded, mountain or cloud, and semi-evergreen tropical forests. Let's start with the flooded forest. So flooded tropical forests are seasonally covered by water that spills over from the regular course of Amazon rivers. It also destroys rainforest by disrupting the carbon cycle. And mountain or cloud tropical forests are forests that are covered by moss, dropped bushes, and epiphytes like ferns and moss. Then lastly, we have semi-evergreen under tropical forest. Um, these forests are these forests are found in the Western Ghats, Andaman, and Eastern Himalayas. And same evergreen forests, they have a mixture of white evergreen trees and the most deciduous trees in this world. So under tropical forests, we have talked about the meaning of tropical forest and their types. Let's go to the temperate forest. Temperate forest is the forest found between tropical and taiga region, located in temperature zone. So there are two types of temperate forest, namely evergreen and deciduous forest. Under evergreen forest, these forests are covered with greens, with greens vegetation, while desert forest are forest that is dominated by trees that lose their leaves in the fall. They are found in North America and Northeastern Asia. Then finally we have taiga forests. These are coldest forests on Earth dominated by species of evergreen, conifers, spruce, and pine. It covers about 11% of landmass of this planet. And there are three types of taiga forest, namely closed canopy forest, lichen forest, and forest tundra. So closed canopy forest is a dense growth of trees in which the top branches and leaves form a ceiling or canop that light can barely penetrate to reach their forest floor. So under woodland is an open ground and subarctic forest distributed across North America. Forest tundra is a forest region found in the Arctic and on the tops of mountains where the climate is cold and the wind and rainfall is scant. That's all about the types of forest ecosystem. So let me explain about the characteristic features of forest ecosystem. The first one is home temperature and sufficient rain for characteristics of forest, resulting in the formation of humus like ponds and lakes. The second is the forest maintains climate and rainfall. Then the forest support many wild animals and protect biodiversity. Finally is that the soil is rich in organic matter and nutrients which support the growth of trees. That's all about characteristics features of forest ecosystem. Let's go to the structure of forest ecosystem. Under structure of forest ecosystem, there are two structures of forest ecosystem, namely biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components are living things presented from the three functions group of forest ecosystem. This includes producer, consumer, and decomposers. So producer, these are living things that produce food on their own, like trees, shrubs, moss. And this producer, they turn water and sunlight into the energy they need to live and grow. While consumer, these are living things that depend food or other sources from the producer, like insects and rabbits. Decomposers are living things that depend on decayed materials or dead animals. So that's all about biotic components. Let's go to the abiotic components. Abiotic components, these are components in which plants and animals grow and carry out their different activities, such as light and temperature. Finally, we have functions of forest ecosystem. The first function of forest ecosystem is that goods obtained from forests. These are various types of food products such as honey, wild meat, fruits, mushrooms, palm oil, and wine, and medical plants obtained from forests. Here when we have ecological function. Ecological function is that forests play an important role in maintaining ecological factors such as climate, carbon storage, nutrient cycling, and rainfall. Lastly, we have cultural and social benefit. This is a very important function of forest and very beneficial than other forests because in this because in this function of forest, the tribal people who live in the forest treat forest as nature goddess. The traditional beliefs and spiritually save wild animals from hunters and cutting down of trees by urban people, and few modern people visit forest and recreation. Yeah, that's all about forest ecosystem. Thank you for your time and understanding. Thank you.